This is the Gadget Show, and now it's time for a bout of unboxing, which she promises is going to be spectacular. Over to you, Miss Georgie Barrett.
It will be spectacular, because what I've got here is a potentially game-changing device from LG.
Wow. What game is it going to change?
It's going to change the folding phone game, and it's so new, it hasn't even got a proper box yet. So this is the LG Wing. It is a gorgeous phone, and it also does this.
What? OK, you've got me. How much is it?
We don't know yet. It's too new.
OK, will we know for Christmas?
Yes, we will.
Well, that's me sorted.
But the dual screen isn't just a gimmick. This is a really good high-end phone. You've got a Snapdragon processor with 5G built in. You've got 3 lenses on the back, a 32-megapixel camera on the front. But the dual screens is where it's at. So this screen is 6.8 inches HD+. Then you've got a 3.9-inch square screen on the bottom.
So what sort of things does it do with its dual screens?
OK, so you can obviously just have multiple apps open at once. So an example is you could be on YouTube whilst browsing the web. This is a great one where you could have your maps, so you'd be driving along, and then the passenger will still be able to control the music without sort of going off the map screen.
So you could be on the road to nowhere on both screens.
Very good, very good. But the camera is also pretty special. So if we head into there, as you can see, you've got your picture at the top there with all your controls at the bottom, so your fingers just don't get in the way. It's got this amazing digital gimbal, which means that I can actually control it. Craig, smile.
Okay.
I can take a photo and then also control it without actually having to move it.
Hold on, gimbal. So there's a gimbal built in?
There's a digital gimbal built
on the bottom screen.
Otis, you're now on... Smile, thank you. It's also got dual recording mode.
Oh, hey.
Just that little bit popping up.
See the little camera pop up there,
It's very nice, isn't it? So currently I'm on camera recording me and also you guys. So give us a wave. Yeah. It's also brilliant when it comes to gaming. So if you have a little look at the screen over here, you can see what I'm doing.
Wow.
So we can go in here, and then this becomes your controller. OK, so I'm going to play Asphalt 9. As you can see, this top screen turns into your maps, and then the bottom one is for all your controls.
I take it Asphalt 9 is the only game available at the moment?
Yes, it currently is, but they're working with other games providers and also Google to get loads more games involved.
OK.
You're doing really good, Georgie.
Yes, you're missing everything.
Is it tilt to steer, Georgie?
It's kind of on auto at the moment.
Oh, I thought she was brilliant. Fraud.
I mean, we've seen quite a few folding phones with an actual bendable screen. This one is an alternative approach. Do you think it's designed to make it more durable?
Yeah, I do. And also, they've had this tested by the US military, so it's super durable. It should be able to withstand many flicks of your screen.
Yeah.
OK, well, thank you for bringing that in, Georgie. There's only 3 of them in the country.
Nice work.
See? Doing a job properly.
Yeah, take note, you two.
OK, we must move on.